This will be a Blender tutorial on how to create a piece of text that turns into fluid. To start, you want to make sure you are on Cycles Render. Then you will delete this cube and this lamp. Then create a piece of text. To edit the text, you go into Edit mode. You can have the text say whatever you want, but I will make it say fluid. To have this work right, make sure there's a space between each letter. Then you will edit the text, change the extrude value to 0.1, and change the align to centered. And then you want to scale the text by pressing S, and then scale it by 3 by pressing 3 and enter. And press Alt-C and click Mesh from Curve Meta Surf Text. And then you want to create the base plate. So create a cube. Go into the options. Move it down to Z equals -1. Scale the X and the Y value to 7. And next you want to create another cube. This cube will be the domain. Scale this one by pressing S, and then scale it to 8, and enter. And now we want to start creating the fluid. So go into the Physics tab, click Fluid, and select Domain. Move the resolution to 100. And then go into the Modifiers tab, add a modifier, the subdivision surface, have the render be on 6, then select the piece of text. Let's move it up to Z equals 2. Then go into the Physics tab, select Fluid, then the type is Fluid. Next you want to select the base plate, again, have a fluid and have it be an obstacle. Then select the domain again, and click Bake. Now this is going to be calculating where all the fluid should go. While that's happening, we are going to change the materials for everything. So select the text, go up here and make it so that it's not visible to you or the render. Select the fluid, go into materials, click new, and for the surface, have it be glass, and select the base plate. Again, click new, don't change the surface. I'm going to make the color to be red. And then you want to create a light source. So create a plane, scale it with S, and then scale it by 1000. Then go into the Object tab, have Z be 100, so it's up way above the scene. Then for the material, have it be emission, and don't change any of those settings. Then you want to press press 0 on the number tab to go to the camera. Press N, click Lock Camera to View, press N again, and then move the camera up to where you want the scene to take place. Have it directly above with slightly an angle, and then everything is good, and you can go into the Render tab and click Animation. Now it will take some time for it to render, so I will be back shortly.